My name is Emilia Pompe and I'm a final year PhD student in statistics at the University of Oxford. I think I liked maths since my childhood. Then I went to a maths-oriented high school, but yet I didn't believe that I could study maths at the university level. So for my undergrad, I chose a double degree program in economics and mathematics, thinking that most likely I was going to switch to just economics. But I quickly realized that maths is so much more interesting for me than economics. My favorite course during my undergrad was algebra, and in particular group theory rather than statistics. But towards the end of my undergrad, I started realizing that statistics has such an enormous potential for solving real-life problems. I was giving a talk at a conference last year in Sicily, and it was my first conference talk ever. So it was a sort of long session, and by the time it was my turn to speak, people were already yawning or scrolling their phones, which wasn't very encouraging. But then when I started speaking, I realized that they put their phones aside and really started listening to me and looking at my slides. It was so energizing and empowering. More recently, I got inspired by Anima Anandkumar. She is a professor at Caltech and the director of machine learning research at NVIDIA, so she has both perspectives, from academia and from industry. She not only does cutting-edge research, but she also has a great skill of explaining in an intuitive way things that are quite difficult. She also had the courage to speak about her harassment experience. To me, as a young researcher, it means a lot that senior people, amazingly successful, stand firmly against sexism and gender bias for women in STEM.